Haya, tunaingia kwa Bible quizzes.
Happy Sabbath. I'm gonna ask you some questions. Factors related to the number 7 in the Bible. Number 1. Who can name them? Facts related to the number 7 in the Bible.
Anasema facts related to number 7 in the Bible. Somebody to raise up and say, chi fact related na number 7 in the Bible. 7. Upendo tu watoto. Ndio hizo?
Ndio hiyo hapa.
The Sabbath.
Shine, 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 shine for Jesus every day. Mwingine.
Yes.
7 candlesticks in the temple.
Amen.
Number 7 means perfection.
Thank you. Number 1, Noah bought 7 pairs of clean animals and birds in the ark. Number 2, God created everything on the 6th day, and on the 7th day, God rested. Number 3, Joseph rearrested Pharaoh's dream on 7 fat and 7 gaunt cows. It comes from the book of Genesis chapter 41. Number 4, God commanded his march for 7 days and 7 times on the 7th day to conquer Jericho. It comes from the book of Joshua chapter 6 verse 1 to 16.
Naaman received a commandment to go and dip 7 times in the Jordan River so that it can be healed from leprosy. It comes from the book of 2 Kings 5:14. Jesus told Peter that he should forgive not only up to 7 times, but up to 7 times 7.
Mmesikia? Jesus told Peter not to forgive just once, but 7 times 77. Say amen. Kwa boli ndo mondo li swali ali nyugo sonyo ria kandi.